I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we will learn the difference between quality assurance and quality control with simple visuals and a practical example. First, clear definitions. Quality assurance, or QA, focuses on the process and on preventing defects before they happen. Quality control, or QC, focuses on the product and on detecting defects after they occur. Think, QA is prevention, QC is detection. Let us visualize a simple development pipeline. We move from requirements to design, to build, to deploy. Quality assurance spans across all stages, guiding how work is done to prevent defects. Quality control checks the product at or after build and near deployment to find defects. Prevention versus detection made visible. Here is a quick comparison. QA focuses on process, happens throughout the life cycle, and aims to prevent defects. QC focuses on product, happens after build or at checkpoints, and aims to detect defects. Typical QA methods include process definition, training, and audits. Typical QC methods include testing, inspections, and measurements. Let us apply this idea to a simple example, a new website login feature. We bring back our pipeline. QA actions define a checklist and coding standards during design, and run a peer review before build. These actions prevent many defects. QC actions execute test cases after build, like positive login, negative login, and performance checks to detect defects before release. We can also track useful metrics. For example, defect density or test pass rate to monitor and improve quality. To wrap up, QA builds it right by preventing defects through strong processes. QC checks it is right by detecting defects through testing and inspection. They complement each other. Good organizations use both, with QA guiding how work is done and QC checking what is produced. Thank you for watching. This was Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Use quality assurance and quality control together for excellence.